Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the graphics, FPS and visual style settings on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard, tap the up arrow button on the bottom right to open the menu, and then select Settings. In Settings, select Graphics from the right sidebar. Here in Graphics, you can change the graphics all the way up to Ultra HD and the frame rate between low and ultra. Depending on what device you have, it may not be able to run the highest settings without it overheating or lagging. Below, you can change the style of the graphics. These were the in-match graphics settings. You can tap the Lobby tab and also change the graphics settings for the pre-game lobbies. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PUBG tips and tricks.